My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. LeBrons are going to be dropping in about 20 minutes. Got two. Seven Royal Toes came in. These are all GS sizes. Champs just put out a tweet saying that they're going to be restocking GS and men's sizes in the Royal Toes. Dude, I'm hitting like crazy. Are you seeing this right now? I can't stop checking out. Oh my gosh, it's more. There's more. Keep on going. Oh, I can't even talk. I'm freaking out. I just hit like a bunch. Oh my gosh. I thought I was only hitting Kids Foot Locker. Foot Action was doing work. After everything was said and done, I checked my KODAI hub and I ended up with a total of 79 checkouts. I have 47 email confirmations and 10 cancellations. Anyways, I did sell a couple of items. These are just things that I'm trying to get rid of. Tomorrow we have Supreme and we also have Dunks. Not too long after that we have another pair of Dunks. Lots of very, very important releases coming up. We'll see how we end up doing on the next episode. Payment error. I tested these right before. Why am I getting a payment error now? I just finished setting up for Supreme. My setup was done in like 3 to 5 minutes, which is absolutely not enough time. But sometimes last minute setups do end up cooking. So the only thing left to do is start running the tasks.
Well, just checkout failed. Not over.
Oh my gosh, I've been getting so many ones played. Alright, so what's my excuse this time for not copying on Supreme? Mech, which was the bot that I prioritized most of my tasks on, and by the ways, did extremely well. If I'm not mistaken, that bot had the most checkouts for the North Face collaboration for the US, especially during the initial drop. They worked really, really well. But Mike, I don't want to put the blame on you, but Mike, which is the developer of Mech, basically said API tasks are going to perform really well. So basically what I did was set most of my tasks to API tasks, and then after the release he said that only browser mode tasks were the ones that were able to check out. So I did have browser mode tasks, but I think my issue was I ran too many tasks just in general. So what ended up happening is my API tasks took up most of my CAPTCHA solvers, so that's probably one point of failure. The other point of failure was that I just didn't have enough browser mode tasks. I do have to admit, Supreme is not really my thing. I have the best bots, the best proxies, and the best people to help me out, and I still suck at Supreme. I'm just gonna accept the fact that I'm probably not gonna get any better when it comes to copying from Supreme anytime soon. I only hit the occasional release and that's about it. Anyways, to make ourselves feel better, let's open up some boxes that came in today. Here we have two Jordan 1 mids in the size 6Y. I bought two of these for a total of $180. I haven't checked the prices on these recently and they did take a really long time to ship out, but surely I can still make some money off of them. And we also have three LeBrons that came in. All of the sizes I got were size 10.5. I don't know why. I ran for sizes 10.5 and up, and all of my checkouts were 10.5, but I'm not gonna complain. I did get a good amount of pairs. All right, what's good with these shoes? First of all, the box is really nice. I mean, they're cool, I guess. Like, me personally, it's not my type. But I do know that a lot of people like these, and the resale price wouldn't be good if that wasn't the case. 3 boxes came in the mail today. Before we start opening them up though, I did want to mention that I sold a couple of shoes. And I dropped them off earlier today at the UPS store. Here we have Royal Toes in men's sizes, one in a size 14 and the other in a size 8. The size 14 I'm probably gonna get rid of real soon because it's just a really big box, so it's inconvenient to store, and I don't think the price is gonna go up as fast as the other sizes. We also have another pair of LeBrons in the size 10.5. Okay, so tomorrow we got some really big releases. The first up, we have the Ben & Jerry Dunks. However, as far as I know, getting these is like almost impossible. There's not too many websites releasing them. Sneakers is going to be releasing them almost a week from now. Mostly stores are doing raffles, aka backdoors, and we also have Yeezy 700s. I'm gonna go ahead and finish setting up my bots and we'll see how we end up doing tomorrow.
Got it. Processing.
Got one.
Top one on undefeated.
Top one on Polaris.
That sucks.
I just got another one. That Yeezy 700 drop went pretty well. I feel like I could have gotten a lot more pairs since one of the bots that I did use for Yeezy supply was the best bot that worked on that day, and that was Polaris. Shout out to the Polaris guys, by the way, for hooking me up with a copy for me to showcase on this channel. It worked out very well. However, the one mistake that was made on my part was that during the initial drop, I didn't allocate any specific size tasks. All of my tasks during the initial drop before the sale hold was set to random, and basically Polaris had an issue with finding sizes if your task was set to random. So unfortunately, a bunch of my tasks got through almost right away the moment the sale went live. However, I wasn't able to check out anything because all of my tasks were set to random, but that's perfectly fine. When the sale was on hold, I started changing up my tasks, and then I started checking out like crazy on Polaris. So I got a total of 7 pairs, 1 on Undefeated and the rest on Yeezy Supply. I do have to say these Yeezy Supply drops have been getting quite hard. Before, Yeezy Supply drops were really easy since they have a lot of stock, but I'm not sure what's going on. Looks like the stock that they're getting has become less and less over time. Speaking of my Undefeated cop, this is the very first time that I copped from Undefeated and didn't get canceled on the same day. So it's been a few days already and I still don't have a cancellation email, so I'm really happy about that. What did I do differently? It's simple. All I made was new accounts and switched up my billing profiles a bit, and yeah, they didn't cancel me this time around. I'm not sure why. I hope that order sticks. I'm pretty sure it will since it hasn't gotten canceled yet. Usually they cancel really early, either right away or maybe a few hours afterwards, but no cancel yet. So we're gonna end up seeing if that one ships. As for my Yeezy Supply orders, they all got shipped already, but I am pretty sure I'm gonna end up having 7 in hand. Anyways, speaking of sneakers in hand, I did get another LeBron size 10.5. Before we move on, I want to announce that I am now partnered with CHECKCHECK. This app will legit check sneakers, and this can help make sure that you don't get scammed out of hundreds of dollars when buying new kicks from resellers or consignment stores. You can download this mobile app at getcheckcheck.com, and when you use my referral code NOVA, you can get your first pair of sneakers legit checked for free. Well, how accurate are the results? Before I accepted this partnership, I decided to extensively test this app with the help of a number of people. Some of them submitted really good fakes, and they were all detected in the system. Just to make sure, we also submitted legit sneakers, and of course they passed as legit. Judging from this trial, I would say that their process is quite reliable and trustworthy. Go ahead and download this app to make sure that you're getting and wearing the real deal. Don't forget to use my referral code NOVA when you're signing up so that you can get 1 free legit check. Surely some of you guys will find this app quite useful. On to the video. I should be getting a bunch of Jordan 1 Royal Toes coming in this week, and I'm really excited to do the unboxing for those. We'll see how many show up at my doorstep on the next episode.